Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we'll be doing another vegan cooking video. We will be making Italian style meatballs. Before we get started with the video, I'd like to apologize for the terrible videotaping I did of this recipe. However, you will not be disappointed if you try it. It's a very good recipe. Enjoy the video. Give me a thumbs up if you like the recipe. Don't forget to click the bell for future notifications and please subscribe. Preheat oven to 350. First, we're going to mix the dry ingredients for the vegan Italian meatballs. First, you need a medium-sized bowl. Add 1 1/2 cups vital wheat gluten, 1/4 cup nutritional yeast, 1 tablespoon of basil, 1/2 tablespoon of oregano, 1/2 teaspoon of marjoram. I never can say that one correctly. And then you need 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper and 1 teaspoon of salt. Now we're going to whisk the dry ingredients until they're well blended. Now it's time to start on the liquid ingredients. For the liquid ingredients in a smaller bowl, you need 1 cup of warm water, 1 heaping tablespoon or teaspoon of better than bouillon vegetable paste. You can use any bouillon, this is just the best one. It has the best flavor to it. You need 1 1/2 tablespoons of minced garlic. You can either chop it up yourself or buy the jars that are already minced. You need 1 tablespoon of rice vinegar, 6 ounces of tomato paste, and 1 tablespoon of liquid amino acids. You can substitute with soy sauce or coconut aminos. Now we're just going to blend this up until it's nice and blended. For the next step, we're going to roll little balls. You can do either patties, balls, links, and place it on the sheet as if you're making cookies. You make them balls as whatever size you want. You can make them either small, large. You can make it into like a meatloaf, sausage links, sausage patties, hamburger patties. But originally this recipe is best for meatballs. I'm just going to make as many as we can. You want a little bit of space in between each one. You don't have to have too much. I always start with the 12, like cookies, and then I start arranging in between. There you go. Next thing you're going to do, you're either going to cover it with another cookie sheet, like I am, or cover it with foil. That way it can bake. You don't have to use cookie sheets. You can use glass baking sheets and just cover it with foil or another pan. You can use just about anything that goes in the oven. In the oven, and you're going to set the timer for 55 minutes. I'll see you in 55 minutes.